Well, it's Tuesday, and I'm just getting back from seeing a client in Luzerne County Jail. I'm representing him there on a very serious matter, and it was a long drive over there, and I got back a little while ago. After I got back, I just spent some time looking at some stories in the news, as I always do, to try to see if I can use something to explain kind of a criminal concept. And what I found today was a story in which an Oakland Raider draft pick, a third-round pick, was found in a home during a DEA search warrant search. It looks like from the home they recovered some assault weapons and other firearms, and they said other evidence. There's no indication that this young man was arrested for anything, but it brings up a good point to be very careful, who you stay with, whose car you travel in, because there's a concept known as constructive possession and also actual possession in the law. So constructive possession means that the contraband in question is in your area of immediate control. Actual possession, it's on your actual person when you are arrested or when you're searched or whenever you have contact with law enforcement. So in this situation, it doesn't appear like this young man's going to be charged with anything. That may not hold true. Let's see what happens. But it's very important to understand, who you're keeping company with, because we got a situation where you're in a room or you're in a car where contraband is located, and the person who's actually the owner of it or the possessor of it doesn't admit to it and tries to turn it back on you. And really, it's a very difficult situation to be in, and there's a lot that your criminal defense lawyer can do to get you out from under it. There's various arguments that we can make to show that you had no connection to this contraband. But again, that may also require you having to go through the criminal process and spending thousands of dollars in legal fees. So just be aware, if you're traveling in a car and you don't know the person and you have reason to think that this person is involved in some illegal things, be aware that if that car is stopped or that home is searched and you're found in the area where the contraband is, there's a possibility you may be detained, as this man was, for a short period of time, but you could even be arrested and actually charged with it. It happens all the time. So just be aware that there's also a conspiracy charge in the law. That's kind of a catch-all that, there's arguments that your attorney can make that, for instance, mere presence isn't enough to establish a conspiracy. But again, those are all arguments that need to be made in court, requiring thousands of dollars in legal fees. So if you're arrested with a drug or gun crime in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, give our office a call, ask us a question. We're more than happy to assist you with it. 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Both of those numbers are 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our website, gambonelaw.com, has all my downloadable books, my blogs, all the information. We make it available to you so you can make an informed decision as far as your legal representation. Hopefully, you won't need us. I want to wish you all a good Tuesday. It looks like we're coming out of this COVID nightmare and we're finally getting back to things as normal. I know my kids are starting their summer camps next week, so all good things. I want to wish you all well, and I'll talk to you all soon.